Morning. We've hit Thursday. It's cold. It's chilly. I've just dropped Maribeth to work. I'm off to get some shopping. I'm getting the bits for Easter because we're having a big Easter feast. So it'll be my last Easter indoors at home. So all the kids are coming around, all the grandkiddies and everyone, and we're going to have roast lamb and roast gammon, roast dinner, and a nice big couple of big trifles I'm going to make for afters. Anyway, apart from that, I'm going to get my tyre done shortly, put on my spare, and after I've done the shopping I will be back home and I will be getting on with the rear brakes. Fingers crossed the discs fit. If they don't, I'll have to take them back and swap them for the ones that do, but I'm 100% sure. I've measured twice, 3 times, put all the measurements in, got all the measurements back out. Hopefully these are going to fit. Hopefully. I'm 99% sure they're going to fit. If they don't, I'm going to cry. Oh well. Life is life, and it happens like that sometimes. So yeah, I'm on my way back now. So I will catch you all in a little while when I get into the shops. Life. These brakes changed and discs. I'm just sorted out the tools that I need, and got the pads in here. Oh. And I've got a set of discs in here, which I'm going to take out one at a time just in case they're wrong, but I'm hoping this time we've got it right. So that can sit there for a minute. I'll take the other one off and measure it up. They're looking good at the minute, so I'll get back to you in a bit. Right, it's the disc's loose, but I've got to undo the mechanism in there for the handbrake, because the handbrake on these is shoes inside there. Always make sure these are free. These are your caliper sliders, because if they're not, you'll have one pad wear more than the other and it won't pull up very well. I've got a 22mm socket on the back to take the caliper carrier off. I've just taken off the brake caliper itself. I will push this piston back in a minute with that G-clamp, and I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, and if you look there, you can see this front pad is lower than the rear pad, because that one's been stuck on. And that one was on the outside edge on here, so one of the sliders was stuck. I freed them off the other day. It was just that one there, which is good now. So yeah, carry on getting this caliper carrier off. Didn't film the rest of it because I need to get some handbrake shoes for it as well, but the discs and the pads are in there all brand new. Look. So the brakes work. The handbrake's only working on one side. This side, the material had all fallen off the handbrake shoes, so I got to order some of them. That'll be for another day anyway. It's still usable. I'll just make sure I leave it in gear, because the handbrake's only holding on one side, and not parking in the hills for a bit. But yeah, I'm going to look them up tonight anyway, get them ordered up. So anyway, that's it. I am now filthy dirty, and I will see you all in the next vid. I'm going to get showered, changed, and we're off to Blue Water. Grab some new clothes. So catch you all soon. Bye for now. Up Netflix in the van on my phone. So I've got Netflix on my travels as well now. I really can't wait to go. It won't come too soon.